Dylan,
What?
did you do it?
Doesn't pull. I eat this. Look, I'm in pull with me.
You want me to?
I'm in pull.
You want me to come in again?
Yeah. Look, I'm in pull. Yeah. Yes.
Okay, I'll come in the pool again with you. Okay?
Okay.
Do you want Jelly Bean to get in the pool again?
Yeah.
She just did, and then she got back out.
I want to go back out. I want to go back out. I'm back out.
You are back out.
That's a train. That's pretty cool.
I know, this is your robe. It's got trains on it.
Yeah. That's...
You want to put it on?
No. I'm going to pull.
You want to go back in the pool?
That's all done.
No, it's fine for when you're out of the pool. You put this on. You ready?
No. That's going to pull.
You're going in the pool?
I'm going to that pool.
You're going in that pool?